Grocery shopping has come a long way, from long lines and paper lists to one-tap convenience and personalized carts. In fact, the global online grocery market is projected to reach a staggering $399.74 billion by 2025. Apps like Instacart, Big Basket, and Amazon Fresh have already disrupted the D2C space. But that's just the beginning. The real opportunity now lies in building AI-first grocery ecosystems that go beyond fulfillment to deliver data-backed personalization, automated inventory management, smart recommendations, and dynamic pricing models. And that's where forward-thinking businesses are stepping in. In this demo video, we'll walk you through how AI grocery shopping works and how its features are built to simplify your everyday life. Once you've downloaded the app on your phone, go ahead and open it. Now, when you first launch the app, you'll first see a few intro screens. You can either tap skip or swipe through each slide by tapping next, next, and finally get started. Now, we reach the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then tap on sign in. You also have the option to sign in with Google if that's more convenient. But if you're new here, tap on create new account. Now, enter the details like your full name, email address, mobile number, and a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once done, tap Sign Up, or you can also choose to sign in using Google. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code, tap Verify, and your account is now ready. In case you forgot your password, just tap on Forgot Password, enter your email address, and hit Send. You'll receive a reset link in your inbox. Open the link, set your new password, click Save, and then log back in using your updated credentials. And just like that, you've landed on the home screen of the app. Once you're inside the app, you'll land on the home screen. And this is where the app experience really begins. Let's explore what this AI-powered grocery shopping app offers. The home screen is your personal shopping dashboard. It displays personalized product suggestions, trending grocery deals, and curated collections based on your preferences. At the bottom, you'll notice 5 key navigation buttons: Home, Orders, the big green AI button at the center, Notifications, and Profile Now. Anytime you tap on a product, you'll get a full view. Say you click on an item, maybe a pasta sauce, a snack, or a ready-made meal. Instantly, you'll see all the details you need. You'll get the full name of the item, its price range, star ratings from other buyers, user reviews, and a short description that tells you exactly what you're buying. And it doesn't stop there. Right below that, it will show you similar products that you might be interested in, so you can compare, explore other brands, and decide what suits you best. And yes, for all you impulse buyers, there's always something tempting on offer. It will also recommend matching items, combos, and limited time offers right there on the product screen. And if you like what you see, you can simply tap Add to Cart and keep browsing. Now let's move on to tracking your purchases. Once you've placed your orders, you'll want to keep an eye on them. So you head over to the Orders section. Here, you can view all your previous orders, see what's currently being delivered, check any pending payments with a quick pay option, and even reorder your favorite items in just a few taps. No more digging through old emails or hunting for invoices. Everything is clean, organized, and just one tap away. Now, moving forward, what if you're waiting for updates or want to see if that flash sale is live? That's where the Notifications tab comes in. Here you'll get real-time alerts for your order status, like when it's confirmed, when it's packed, or out for delivery. You'll also see promotions and seasonal offers customized to your shopping behavior, so you never miss out on something great. And right on top of the screen, you'll also find the chat support panel. If you need to connect with a vendor, clarify a product detail, or ask for a replacement, you can do that directly from here. Now let's head over to the Profile section, which acts as your personal command center. In here, you can update your profile picture, edit your contact information, change your password, manage your login methods, and even access your saved addresses. You can also check your wish list, find help through the FAQs, and securely log out whenever you need to. It's all neatly organized to keep your experience smooth and hassle-free. Now, right in the center of the bottom menu bar, you'll notice a glowing green button, and that's where the real magic happens. This is AI button, the heart of the app. When you tap on that, you'll discover 2 powerful tools. First up is Immersive AI. This is where the app creates an entire grocery experience that's uniquely yours. Whether you're shopping for a dinner party, building a healthy meal plan, or just restocking your fridge, the app curates a full basket based on your lifestyle, dietary preferences, and previous purchases. You can shop by category, occasion, cuisine type, or even by health goals. It's smart, intuitive, and saves you a ton of time. Now, the second feature is the Chatbots AI. This is your productivity wizard. You can tell it what you're cooking tonight and it'll create a full grocery list for you in seconds. It'll also suggest alternatives if something's out of stock, recommend add-ons based on what's in your cart, and even help you stay within your budget. And there's even more. If you look at the top of your screen, you'll notice a search bar where you can type in exactly what you need. Right next to that, there's a camera icon. Scan any item from your kitchen or store shelf, and the app will detect and recommend the closest match available inside the app. This app brings together AI, automation, and human needs into one beautiful shopping experience. So to wrap this up, it is built to make your grocery shopping experience faster, better, and actually kind of fun. And if you're someone with a product idea like this, if you're dreaming of building something powerful, sleek, and intelligent, then IdeaOsho is the team to make that happen. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team of 250 plus experts delivers scalable and robust solutions to help businesses succeed. Our work is trusted by 500 plus leading global brands, including Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, and BuzzTime. Reach out to us and let's talk about your next big idea.